Alex, listen, do you know how to start the video if we were not posting for a month?
Not really.
Okay. You know what? F it. We just make a recap of everything that happened with this dramatic violin music like everyone is doing. Let's go, because it's very cold outside, man.
In the previous videos, we bought this Audi A4 in Luxembourg for 1,200 euros with clean MOT, lowered suspension and a modified exhaust. Bomboclad, you know? The biggest issue though was the power steering pump, which we fixed earlier along with some interior modifications. There are still a lot of things to do with this car before trying to sell it, and we have 30 minutes video of us doing these little things,
Which we decided to split into 2 videos.
This is the part 1, which is the perfect time for you to subscribe to see what's coming.
Yeah, but now we are back on a public parking, and today we are
Going to do the dance. Lovely weather of Luxembourg. People who are living here, they would know that it's almost raining every single day. It's really cold. We wanted to do some priming, we wanted to do some body filling, some painting, but we don't have a garage. This is our garage, as you can see. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna try to do the dance. Just gonna go easy with the hammer on it. We're gonna fix the speakers as well today.
we have this metal thing. Would be nice to find some proper shape to make a cover out of it, paint it in black, and to find a way to, yeah, stick it up.
And finally, wheel caps. We're gonna paint them black.
Yeah, I think black.
Black. They will look good because we have a lot of black things and black lines and everything. I think it's gonna look good.
In reality, we are so much out of the budget and we just like cannot afford ourselves to go and to buy gray paint, but we have a lot of black. Right now we would like to try to unbend this damage and this damage.
And this is the tool that we're gonna try with. It's a hammering tool specially made for the dents for the car.
Specially made by AliExpress for the dents on the car.
I mean, for a good price, I hope he's gonna do the work. We don't have the wheel arc.
We don't have the wheel arc here?
Look, it's here. My finger is here.
So we don't even need to remove the wheel arc.
No.
Perfect.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You know what?
You don't wanna start.
No. No, I don't think I'm doing something, I swear.
Let me try.
Try.
You know what might be the problem? Because it's like double-sided, you know?
I understand what you mean. That we are hitting the...
Interior part and the exterior part, we're not gonna reach it.
Maybe you're right.
That's why they usually do pulling.
But this shall not be the case for the front fender.
No. Here it's... I think we're gonna hit it directly.
Then we change plans and we are moving to the front fender.
Oh my god, how many fucking bolts.
And while Alex was taking care of the dent in front, I saw the damage on the back of the car, which I could in theory unbend with the hammer.
To me it feels like it went out quite a bit. I think it's good enough. A bit of body filler here, yeah, it will give some millimeter, you know, just to remove this dent, particularly here. But I mean, Alex, it was almost all inside, you know?
Now basically this is gonna be body filler to get the shape of the arch, but as you can see now it's lined with the bumper because the bumper was sticking out really much.
No, in general, Alex, I think we did a good job. We can start slowly but surely switching to the speakers. This is very brief dimension, let's say so. Maybe if you cut it like that, maybe we have enough just to stick it inside, you know, and not even screw.
Okay.
Second speaker has some sort of a cover, but also there've been some engineering done behind, which makes the hole a bit bigger. This is ridiculous. It's not going to be symmetrical.
I know it's not going to be symmetrical, but what can you do? If you want, we can have one mesh there and this shit here.
No, of course I don't want that. And honestly, I don't even know how to cut it. Like, I mean, in which shape.
Guys, I'm really sorry what you're about to observe right now, because we've decided at that moment to be crafty. I'm sure the next time we're gonna get better tools or 3D printer or whatever, but for now...
I mean, this is the shape.
But this is the shape.
What can we do?
Let's try, you know what? It's not my car, I don't care much. It's gonna be anyway probably better than what we have right now. Even though, can you show this shape on the camera? What the f is this?
Mushroom.
As I like to say, we are back in the basement and now we are trying to cut those pretty piece of shapes out of this mesh that we have. We cut one while camera was charging a little bit. And right now this disaster needs to be revealed on the planet Earth. I don't know what we are doing, honestly. I just don't mind to experiment, but...
Man, we're doing a mushroom.
Okay, so the mushroom is ready. This is such a DIY. It's not even, you know, covers from Temu. It's like, what is that?
Man, it's what we have, you know. This is the shape of the thing that the man fucked up, you know. Another solution would be just buy another door card.
Yeah, literally, like it's either mushroom, either a door card. So we are on a very budget build, apparently, and mushroom is our solution today. So now we're gonna paint this in black and try to see how it's gonna work in the car.
Do I need to say anything? Man.
Negro mate. Well, the nets are kind of ready, I think. They are not perfect, but I think camera doesn't transfer why they're not perfect. Anyway, it's much better than it was, as we like to say to anything we're doing. And right now we're planning to paint the wheel cups, also in black.
As we said in the beginning, we are not here for the profit.
Neither for the quality. We're using the black paint for calipers, as Alex said. I think it shall be more resistible for
Wheels.
Also, just knowing your questions, the Audi logo, we let it here just because you can basically remove it only once. If we take it out, we're gonna have to glue it on everyone and to paint it again in gray, which we don't have, so black. That would be the first layer, and actually it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad at all, man.
You can see, especially right now after first layer of the paint, there are some holes which are revealing. Like, we tried sanding it down as much as possible, but those holes, basically, if we want to get rid of them, we just better remove the whole metal part. This is something that we have to deal with anyway, because it's 26-year-old car. Or how old? No, 24.
2001, 24.
Let's let it dry, and then we put the second layer.
10 minutes, Alex?
10, 15, better 20. Okay, now the first time Alex painting something.
Another 10-15 minutes, right?
Yeah, I would say better 20. And here is the next day. Our rims dried. They look amazing.
They look really amazing. Yeah, they're gonna look good.
Come on, plug and play. Nice.
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 It gives like the race car vibe, you know?
Bams.
Sheesh.
Looks cool.
Done. See what you can do with only just a spray can. It's looking 10 times better. And it goes well with the side skirts, which are already black.
And at this beautiful note, we switch back to disaster.
After our first test fit, I came up with a bit upgraded version. I tried putting hot glue on the edges and cutting it more to the shape, but mushroom still remains being a mushroom. This is really some piece of a shape. It does not deserve to exist in this world. I would like to improve this somehow, but like this? Seriously? Anyway, let's try with this one. Voila! It doesn't look that bad. I'm just looking at the freshly installed mushroom at the place where the net for the speaker is supposed to be, and actually, guys, it works. Well, listen, it really looks much better in real life, and when you're at this distance, you do not notice it, because it's better than just the gray speaker, you know, in the hole, which is obviously cut out. And moreover, functionality of it. I tested it with the radio, and let me show you how it sounds.
Go. At Graffiti, you can listen to interesting topics, podcasts, and a lot of cool music.
On Radio Aura.
It sounds great. It sounds great when it's very loud. Well, what I wanted to say that just because right now there are a bit more screws and a bit more of a silicone that can absorb the vibration, the sound became better. It's still not perfect. First of all, I don't know what those speakers are. We got this cover to actually make it sound better and to look better. I think all the ticks we got with such a small fix. Just a reminder, guys, this is the first part of all of these little fixes we need to do with the Audi before even trying to sell it, and the second video is coming soon. Like this video, share with your friends, it's gonna help us to grow the new channel.
Your support means a lot to us, so it would be helpful. Any kind of support from your side, guys.
Comment below what you think about our mushroom situation. Honestly, I would really like to know your opinion and how would you like to do this. Like and share this video, and see you in the next episode. That's it, dude.
Nice.
Let's go home.